Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add everyone to a channel in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then go to the channel from the left side of your screen in which you want to add everyone. Then from the top right corner you can see this profile icon. Click on it. Then from here you can add everyone to the channel. This is how you can add everyone to a channel. This is suitable for a small group or small workspaces. If you have a bigger or larger workspaces, you can use the who command. Just backspace and click who. Then it will show you all the members of the channel. From here, copy all the members of the channel and add it to the channel in which you want to add. This is how you can add everyone to a channel. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.